इस क्वेश्चन में WNT सिग्नलिंग के रिगार्डिंग स्टेटमेंट्स दी हैं और आपको करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट का कॉम्बिनेशन बताना है। पहले फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, WNT प्रोटीन इंटरेक्ट विद सेवरल cell surface proteins and activate multiple downstream signal transaction pathway. The principal signaling receptor for WNT is Frizzled, which contains 7 transmembrane, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 transmembrane alpha helices. तो A statement correct है. The palmitate attached to the WNT protein binds to a specific sign on the FZ intracellular domain and stabilize the WNT frizzled complex. B statement incorrect है. C statement, canonical WNT signaling pathway uses a second transmembrane protein LRP that associate with frizzled in a WNT signal dependent manner. Yes, frizzled LRP is a pro-receptor. तो C statement भी correct है. D statement, in the resting state, two kinases in the complex casein kinase CK1 and GSK3 sequentially phosphorylate beta catenin on the multiple tyrosine residues. No, GSK3 and CK1 tyrosine residues पर phosphorylation नहीं करते हैं. तो D statement incorrect है. Only A and C is correct. Only first option is correct.